On the can line, empty cans are brought in by forklift on pallets and placed on a conveyor feed that will take them into the depalletizer, an elevator lift that will raise the pallet until one layer of cans is high enough to be swept onto the conveyor belt. The same is done with empty 2-liter bottles on the bottle line before they're loaded onto the air conveyor. Once on the conveyor belt, the empty cans and bottles are routed to the production and filling area. Just before they reach the filler, the cans are sent through a spiraling conveyor as they descend to be rinsed and emptied before they're filled with product. When the cans and bottles exit the filler, they immediately enter a seamer, which places a lid on the rotating cans and a cap on the bottles. The can filler fills between 1,300 and 1,320 cans a minute, depending on the product being made, while the bottle filler fills approximately 360 bottles a minute. The cans are then conveyed to a can warmer, which applies a spray of warm water to both rinse them before packaging and bring the temperature up to 70 degrees. Then they're moved to a 12-pack machine, which opens the boxes, puts 12 cans inside, and glues and seals the end flaps. The 12 packs are then ushered onto a spiraling, escalating conveyor, which takes them high above the production area to be sent to the warehouse. On the bottle line, the filled, capped bottles are conveyed to a labeler, where they're guided into the machine without a label and come out with a label. The conveyor belt then guides the labeled bottles into groups of 8 before they're conveyed into the case packer and dropped into small crates. They're directed around and up onto the escalating conveyor to meet the other products ready and waiting in the warehouse. The full pallet is then moved to the stretch wrap machine, where a roll of stretch wrap is applied from top to bottom to top. The finished wrapped pallets are then forklifted off the conveyor belt and are taken to the warehouse, where they'll be picked up and shipped out to a store near you.